Hey everyone, ready to master the past continuous like a pro? But wait, this isn't just any boring grammar lesson. We're gonna laugh, hear weird stories, and I've got a challenge at the end that you won't want to miss, so stick around till the end. Quick question, have you ever gotten stuck in a conversation because you didn't know how to say, "I was doing this when that happened"? Well, this video is made just for you. The past continuous tense shows an action that was happening at a specific time in the past. Imagine you're watching a slow-motion movie of yesterday. Serious example, I was reading a book when the phone rang. Funny example, I was eating pizza when suddenly the doorbell rang. And guess who it was? My gym trainer! That's when you're having fun, and then, bam! Reality hits. Here's a question for you. Which sentence sounds better? A, I was cooking dinner when she called. B, I cooked dinner when she called. Keep your answer in mind. I'll explain it later. Let's break down the structure. Was or were plus verb plus ing. Examples, I was walking, they were playing. Wait, here's an important point. When do you use was and when were? Funny example, I was a superhero yesterday. Well, only in my dreams. They were zombies after midnight.
Which one is correct? A, she was playing football when it started raining. B, they was playing football when it started raining. Think about it. I'll tell you the answer soon. Past continuous is often combined with the simple past to describe an action that was interrupted. I was watching TV when the power went out. Here's a serious story. Once I was studying when suddenly the power went off. So frustrating. And a funny story, I was running to catch the bus when I twisted my ankle. It felt like an action movie scene. If I want to say, when you came, I was putting on clothes, which sentence is correct? A, I was putting on clothes when you came. B, I put on clothes when you came. Now, let's talk about some funny but common mistakes. Wrong. I was slept when you called. Right. I was sleeping when you called. Important tip. You can't use state verbs like, love, know in past continuous. Wrong. I was knowing the answer. Right. I knew the answer. Which is correct? A, she was loving the party last night. B, she loved the party last night.
Great job for sticking with me. Now here's a challenge. Correct these sentences and explain why in the comments. 1. I was going to the store when I saw him. 2. They was playing soccer in the park. 3. She was talking to her friend when the movie started. And now the answers to those tricky questions I asked you earlier. If you're finding this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome lessons. Tell me in the comments, which examples did you like better, serious or funny? Got questions? Drop them below and I'll answer them in future videos.